Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen in this cute Christmas tree outfit. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a curve across here. Next, in the center, let's move up and let's draw a line across for the top of Pusheen's head. Then on the right, let's curve it up and then down for the ears. And the same thing on the left side. Next, let's move inside and draw the face. From the top, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then let's do the same thing on the right and on the left. Next, let's move down and draw the mouth. Let's start with a curve to the left and to the right. And then one more curve underneath. Next, let's add the eyes with circles on either side. And then let's color both of the eyes in black. Next, let's hop to the right side and draw the whiskers with two curves. And the same thing on the left. Next, let's hop up above the head and draw the star. Let's start with two angled lines up. And then a point out to the left and out to the right for the bottom of the star. And then points on the sides. And then one more at the top to close off the star. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the tree body. From the left side, let's draw a curve down and in. And let's do the same thing on the right. And then two more curved V's to close it off. Now let's hop down and draw the next layer. Let's start in the center and draw a curve here. Then one on the right. And the left. And then one more on each side to close it off. And now let's add the third and final layer at the bottom with 4 bumps. And lastly, for the tree, let's add the ornaments. On the top section, let's draw 2 circles. Then 3 circles in the middle section. and then 4 at the bottom. And that's it for Christmas tree Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!